Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix Marathon Server Slam, not launching, crashing, or getting black screen issues on PC. First, restart your computer and then try launching the game again. If that does not work, allow the game exe file through your antivirus and Windows security. Go to Windows Settings, Privacy and Security, Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection, Manage Ransomware Protection, allow an app through controlled folder access, add to the game exe, our launcher exe, and BattleEye exe files. Also go to Control Panel, System and Security, Windows Defender, Firewall Arrow, allow an app through Firewall, and add the same 3 files. If you use third-party antivirus software, add these files to the exclusion list. Next, launch the game directly from the Game Installation folder as Administrator. Right-click Game, exe. Properties. Compatibility. Try Windows 8 or Windows 7 compatibility mode. Also, try disabling full screen optimization and administrator mode one by one. If still not working, uninstall and reinstall BattleEye from the game folder, or let the game reinstall it automatically when launching. Disable Steam Overlay and close all overlay apps like Discord or NVIDIA Overlay. Also reset overclock settings to default. Update Windows to the latest version. And verify game files from Steam. Properties. Installed files. Verify integrity of game files. Try launch options like -DX11 or -DX12 in Steam game properties. Clear Steam download cache from Steam settings. Delete or rename the config file from app data. Roaming, Bungie, Marathon. Preference folder. Update or reinstall graphics drivers with clean installation, or roll back to previous drivers if needed. Update BIOS from your motherboard or laptop manufacturer website. Finally, try installing the game on a different drive like SSD or C drive. Restart PC after each major step. One of these methods should fix the problem. That's it. Please like, share, and subscribe.